Hello folks, Waz here from B&B Audio Concepts, and here we have a Seat Alhambra. Originally radio started freezing up like they all do. This one had rear camera, so we've retained that. Also the PDC has been retained. Steering controls have been retained. And climate control is working fine as well. Something like this interests you, give us a ring. This original unit had all the spec but was a little bit dated. Customer wanted Apple CarPlay as well, so we were able to give him that and Android Auto and bring the car up to date. If something like this interests you, give us a shout. We're based in Cardiff. We're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. It's B&B Audio Concepts. The rest, well, there's no need to tell you. You guys are all clever anyway. So here we have a KENWOOD 8021 working seamlessly in a Seat. Thank you for watching.